double bonanza today, ladies and gentlemen. In the morning, tahar kashur wohorvod, and then in the evening, a very beautiful cake by my sweet and beautiful wife, of course, and supported by my, darling son. So, ladies and gentlemen, it is 1st May 2020, and my birthday, Ashtami, on this very auspicious and important day of Tulmula Maj Kheer Bhavani. And now I will just do the rituals in the evening. This is a very beautiful cake, it's Corona times. This is devotion. This is, that complete dedication. It has been made by with a very lot of effort in the home only. It is homemade. What a sweet, what all the love and affection, all the devotion is there. Let's just go for the ritual now. The birthday rituals, ladies and gentlemen. Paksum bola. Kesh kormani. Isha ta korum band. Ha?
Chalo ji, happy birthday ji.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Sanjay Kher.
Happy birthday
to you. चलिए. Oh, that's great. Sanjay ji. थोड़ा सा. Just small bite.
थोड़ा ही क्या?
Sorry, no problem. Don't worry. बात करो. बोला मोला. मोला. Love you. So, ladies and gentlemen, what I was trying to tell you that this is a homemade cake today on my birthday, and of course, as I told you that there's a complete lockdown. And we have been in the home for the last 40 days. Very tough time, but very happy. And jubilant, facing the toughest times of the world, this Corona times. Let's jubilantly, with grace, come out of this bad times and be happy and smiling. Thank you very much. God bless you. Oh, great. God bless.